G'day guys, another episode of RFA. Went out last day of the demersal, got this beautiful black ass here, got a few other good fish, had a bit of fun, and currently cooking the next episode, so we are a bit delayed, but oh well, we'll roll on the footage and hope you enjoy. Yep.
Oh, bottom.
Yeah, I brought it off the bottom too. That's a fish.
Oh, finky. That's a finky. Oh, good one.
No, it's a Wirah. It's a Wirah, sorry.
Is it?
Yeah, Wirah. We'll still take him.
Okay. Good try.
Finally! Let's go. I thought it was a black ass, hey, I was like, that's a big black ass.
So that's what I thought. They would be hell similar.
It's gone again. He stripped me actually. Yep, right. That's him. That's a good fish. Yeah, that's it.
Got it? Yeah.
Don't know. Black ass. Big black ass. Get him in, get him in. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! You just kiss the camera.
Kiss it.
Oh, I'm gonna kiss. Mwah! Ah! Cut me. Oh, you taste good, baby. And we're on again after that short ad break. Oh! Oh!
What was that?
That was a black ass.
It was, wasn't it?
That was bigger than the last.
No.
I just saw him. Yeah, it was. I saw. You just watched him swim off.
Yeah.
Alright. We're back after the ad break. There's a few fish coming back around, mate. Come on.
Better turn the music down,
Damn, yeah, get copyrighted. The damn snapbait's bloody doing the job, mate.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Eat the black ass.
Is that Uber Eats out here?
Delivers it by boat.
That's what they need. They do need that.
Oh. Well, we could be the first ever Uber Eats boat drivers.
You'd make money.
Bit of boom boom boom. Bit of boom boom. It's been a bit slow today with fishing. I don't know why I'm doing this. Hi. Oh. Yeah, you're gonna add it and you're gonna make me look like an idiot.
Yeah, I actually will.
Oh. Yeah, mate. Never secret spot. It's been a little bit of a slow morning, but we're starting to get the fish. Oh. Oh, dropped him.
Oh,
Oh, yep. Oh. GoPro's not.
Huh?
GoPro's not looking the way I want it to look.
Nice wrasse.
Big old wrasse. Oh.
There you go, there's your wrasse footage.
Well, there's wrasse as jewfish, apparently. We're gonna be camera shy now. You watch. Yep. Oh, never mind. Oh, I dropped him. Look at this. Alright, so we got the black ass, dip it in some egg, gone to some flour. This is like pretty much, oh, this has been caked from all the squid and all that. Squid, I'm just gonna say, the squid was awesome, like absolutely amazing. Alright, now I'm just gonna dip it back in the egg. And then straight over to the breadcrumbs. Just roll her around, cover her. You want to cover quite a bit. You want it to be crispy, crunchy, just like that. Beautiful. So, we'll do that for the rest of them. My fingers will be like dough, and we will roll on the clips of how we fillet the fish, how we prep it, and then our method of cooking it. So we're just cleaning these fish, and the Wirah, and I don't know if you can see, it has a crayfish down his mouth, so we're gonna gut him, see what's down there, but it's definitely a crayfish, so we'll give him a gut. So, I'm gonna get the blood mark down. You can see on ice for a little bit. Oh, look at that, he's got a blood clot. There is your black bottom Break Sea Cod right there. So we're gonna have to prep him, fillet him, chuck him in the fridge for another day. Let's get into it. Lift the fin first. You want to make an angle. Look at that. So still pretty blunt, this knife, but it's gonna work. Okay, I might need to sharpen it a bit more, but it's gonna work. There we go. First cut. Next you're gonna want to run it down the back spine to about here. I'll just make a little cut there. Like that. So I'm just going to trace it just with the knife first. I'm just going to trace just so it helps the knife when I'm cutting it. You can see it's starting to separate there. Trying not to miss much in the fish. There we go, so we made the first cut. Now you just want to run down following the backbone. You can see it starts to separate. You just want to go, you sort of just want to hop over the backbone and then aim down and cut. Just like that. Hop over and aim down. Hop over and aim down. Just like that. Now you come to some pin bones here, and you can either cut through them or you can cut up around. I might just cut through them and then cut them out once I've finished the filleting job. Look at that, we've missed a little, just a little bit there, but not much. Just gonna cut up around these pin bones. just gonna poke through the skin like that. Just get through that little bit of skin. Just like that skin will come off. That one black ass fillet. Now we'll do the other side, but we'll do that off camera and we'll skip to the Wirah Cod. Wirah Cod. Inside its mouth, it has little antlers, which we believe is either a crayfish or a prawn. It looks like a crayfish. So we're going to cut his guts open and see what is inside of him.
I reckon it's crayfish.
I reckon it's crayfish too. Just by the area where we were.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's got really big guts, eh?
Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh, what's that? It's a crayfish.
That's it there, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is a crayfish.
It's a crayfish.
I reckon.
Alright, we need to get him out of there. Not too excited, but he's got a shell. It's got a shell like a crayfish. Alright, so we're gonna just kind of squeeze it
Yeah,
out.
it's a crayfish. Oh.
And look at that. It's a baby crayfish. That's so cool. On, let's get a close up of it. That's it.
Oh, and there's a bit of ocky as well.
So, oh, that's a baby ocky. Look.
Is it? Oh.
That's a baby ocky.
Yeah.
So he's eating a baby ocky.
Yeah, and he was gone for your snapbait skirt. He's gone for another ocky.
Yeah, gone for another ocky. And there's a crayfish. And there's another one in there.
Is there?
There's 2 crayfish in there. I can still see the antlers.
Oh yeah, there's another one.
So there's 2 crayfish. Let's try and get this other one out.
Try and cut his guts open further. That bone is a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
I can never get through it.
Let's just lift this open. If I can feel for it in there.
Oh.
I don't feel it.
Well, there's 2 antlers in there, right? Because he's only got 1.
I can see the crayfish from here. I can cut it open here. Should I try that? Well, if we fillet it, then we can try and grab the other one out.
Yeah.
All the meat's gone, but
just fillet it now.
just fillet him now. So.
That's cool as. That oki's mangled.
It's a little baby.
Yeah, its head cut off and everything. Crayfish for dinner?
I don't know if I'd want to eat that crayfish.
No, not at the moment. It was definitely trying to swim away though.
If I was desperate.
I've never seen a baby crayfish.
Neither.
It's a male as well. Alright guys, got it all prepped up, all the black ice prepped up. I still can't believe what we found in that Wirah Cod. Like, I've never seen anything like it.
What did you find in the Wirah Cod?
A crayfish.
Crayfish, Angus.
Crayfish, Angus.
Why wouldn't it have been little?
Yeah,
It was, it's a baby.
There's baby.
Anyways.
Why don't you just like put it in the pool,
So,
raise it?
got the black ice here.
It was dead Angus.
Oh,
Yep.
Oh, that's slippery as.
Alright.
Putting fish in, always put it in that way and splash away from you.
Look at that. Oh, he's just bubbling.
Alright, push it over a little bit to the side.
Fit one more in. There you go.
Put it in, splash away from you. Otherwise, you might get yourself with a bit of hot oil.
Alright, so we're just going to take over real quickly. This is going to be like KFC, I reckon. KFC
fish,
chicken.
not chicken.
I said it's going to be like KFC.
But it can't be like KFC because KFC is KFC and that's just fish. What do you want?
Got Angus in the video.
Just give it a little bit.
I mean, you'll go somewhere, just not like where my friends are going to be able to see.
So,
you're saying that we're not going to be
we'll show you
You know
when
what? Please make us famous to prove to him that we can
Please don't make
be
them
successful.
we'll show you when it's cooked.
Alright, so with fish, it doesn't take that long to cook. It's gone crispy, golden brown. We're gonna just let it sit for a little bit longer. And then we'll chuck in there. Put the rest in. And then that'll be pretty much the end of the video, unfortunately. I reckon that is done. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bit too big for hers.
We'll scoop that one out. You can hear it. Alright, let's chuck the rest in. Lincoln, you can chuck the rest in.
Black ice in away from you, because like that you will splash it into yourself.
Oh,
Sizzle,
good sound.
sizzle.
that's a good sound. Alright, we'll give it about a minute. Flip them over. Alright. This one, nice and golden brown on the bottom. Let it well down there.
Oh shit.
Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Chuck him on there. Beautiful.
We'll keep that there.
Yep. Now.
What you got, King George?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, now. Let's quickly have a look at this fish, right? So this is one of the pieces we just pulled out. And look at that. It's just breaking apart. That's how flaky it is. Look at that.
Have a taste tester.
Oh my god. Cooked perfectly. It just melts in your mouth. I'm not joking. Like, when I say it's like butter, it's like butter. Like, no shit. But yeah. No, that's good, man. I'll say the squid's definitely better. Squid's definitely better that we have in the next episode, but hey, if I was given that, I'd take it. Yeah. Alright, so thank you for watching today's episode. Number, was it 23?
23.
23. 25's coming up next. Not really. 24, then 25. 24 is a squid tips video, so
Stay tuned for that one.
Stay tuned for that one. That won't be out too much after this one, like
Probably about a week and a half.
not even. I'd say probably a couple days after this
No,
one.
not a couple of days now, wait a bit. So
Nah.
stay tuned for that one. Catch a couple big King George. Sam catches a few thumpers. So stay tuned for that. Big thumping squid. Get a few squid on the...
Steal some squid from
Yeah,
Callum.
steal some squid from Callum. So stay tuned for that one, legends. See you in the next one.
Yoo-hoo.